Mayor Potter, members of the Carmel City Council, and elders of Carmel by the Sea. My name is Mike Buffo, and I am an applicant for the Residential Curatorship of the Flanders Mansion. And today I'm giving you a revised proposal of the application I submitted on December 12th, 2018. Over these last 4 years, this proposal has gathered dozens of backers from over 20 city Carmel-based nonprofit organizations. And this home has inspired a documentary on this city that my wife and I made called Bohemian Soul. And this proposal stands out because it allows the city council to consider a due diligence period before committing to a curator, and also offers community benefits beyond simply restoring a city-owned asset. I'm a fourth-generation Monterey Italian, and my office is in the Su Vicino Courtyard, but I live in Marina with my wife, Brittney, and 3 boys, Theodore, Jamison, and Wesley. I'm Carmel's documentarian. I'm a local videographer, and I specialize in educational videos, live event videos, and documentary. And since the shelter in place, my company, House of 8 Media, has been helping us all stay connected by adding a live stream option to any event. Many of us have the option now to attend these events from home. And I average over 100 productions a year, and most of them right here in Carmel. I have become an essential contributor to this community by meeting everyone's needs daily and being the documentarian of this city's arts, culture, and entertainment. Before this, my wife and I ran a school for filmmaking for teens called the HARA Motion Picture Conservatory. HARA stands for Heart Aligned Response Artists, and we help teens write, direct, shoot, and create their own original films for their peers and for this community. The City Council has considered many offers of curatorship over the years. However, none of these offers have resulted in a proposal that satisfies all of the needs that the community has, particularly of 3 groups. The city requires it to be a single-family home. The public would like it to have a significant community benefit, but the neighbors don't want to intensify the use of the neighborhood. Our proposal seeks to address all of these needs. Once restored, Flanders can be an outstanding example of Carmel preservation. And we would like Flanders to become a historic venue in the park that can educate visitors about the rich cultural history of Carmel. Michael Hogan will speak more about this after me. We also see Flanders as an artistic venue to showcase the arts and culture of our city. We can imagine producing a virtual directory of online recorded lectures and courses and learning opportunities for all ages in various disciplines in the arts and sciences. And in anything we produce at Flanders, our city will be our inspiration. The curator can be a steward of this city's legacy. To do this, here is what we're asking for. We'd like your permission to conduct a feasibility study for 120 days to define the exact costs of repair to the basic systems, the electrical, the plumbing, and the mechanical. During this time, I would like the opportunity to work with you to set up a special purpose fund in the city's name to raise pledges towards a capital campaign to see if there is enough public support for the benefits of this curatorship that will bring to the community. Should I successfully raise the pledges to meet these cost estimates by the end of the due diligence period, we can work together on a mutually agreeable lease agreement and then recoup those pledges as donations so that we can begin the work after you approve of the cost estimates from our contractors. Should I need more time to raise the money, then the city would be free to use our findings from the feasibility study as the updated information and the more updated 2023 numbers that you'll need in order to conduct your next RFP. Because we're seeking pledges rather than donations, we only receive and spend the money if we reach our fundraising goal. I am very grateful to you, City Council, and you, Mayor, and city staff, and members of the public for allowing us to come today and speak about this controversial issue and take up time in the city's annual strategic planning meeting. We hope that because of our proposal's public benefit, that we can work together to effectuate this plan as soon as possible. I hope that you find our proposal for a no-cost feasibility study as the best option to move forward as you see fit, City Council. I appreciate your consideration of this project. Here are 6 copies of my revised proposal for the residential curatorship of the Flanders Mansion. Thank you.